Hello guys, in this video we are going to do some important problems that was asked in CBSE board papers and all. Fine. So first these two questions I have taken from CBSE. One is CBSE from CBSE 2009 paper and CBSE 2006 paper. Fine. So we will start with the first question. So the sum of 5th and the 9th term of an AP is 72 and the sum of 7th and 12th term is 97. So first write the given things. Okay, first you have to write the given this. So answer, sum of 5th and the 9th term, that means so a5 we can write a5, right? 5th term a5, so sum of 5th term a5 plus a9 9th term is equal to what? 72. This is the first given thing. And what else is given? Then it is given sum of 7th and the 12th term. So their sum also is given. So a7, right? a7 plus a12 is equal to what? 97. So these are the two things given. Fine. So a5, can we write it as a plus 4d? Yeah, just we are applying the formula. We know the formula. An is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d, right? We are finding out for a5, so a5 will be a plus n is 5 minus 1 into d, that is equal to a plus 4d. Same thing, right? So a5 is a plus 4d. So a9 will be, just you have to reduce one number and write in this form. Fine. So a9 will be a plus 8d, which is equal to 72. So sorry, 72, right? Now a7 plus a12, so we can write this one also as a plus 6d plus a plus 11d equal to what? 97. So these are the two given things. Fine. Now from this we need to find out a or d, anything you have to find out. Fine. So one thing we can do is that we can simplify this equation. Fine. So we can simplify. So we can write a plus a is what? 2a. A plus a is 2a. 4d plus 8d will be 12d. Fine. Which is equal to what? 72. Now here also a plus a will be 2a and 6d plus 11d will be what? 17d, which is equal to what? 97, right? Now from this two we can solve this two equation. Fine. So I'll name this is as first equation and this as second equation. Now I can do one thing. I can do 2 minus 1, second equation minus first equation. Why am I doing second equation minus first equation? Because you can see over here, this is the largest number. That means 97 is bigger number, so you can subtract second equation from first equation. It seems to be a bigger number. Fine. So you can subtract 2 minus first equation. Fine. Now when you subtract, what we can see over here, so you can see that 2a minus 2a will get cancelled, right? It becomes 0. 17d minus 12d becomes what? 5d, which is equal to 97 minus 72. So 97 minus 72. So 5d becomes 25, right? 97 minus 72, 25. So d becomes, that implies d is equal to 5, right? 25 divided by 5 is nothing but what? This 5 only. Now d we got it as 5. Now what you have to do? You have to just, we have this equation 2a plus 12d equal to 72. Just substitute d value in this so that you will get a value also. So yeah, just a substitute. Either you can substitute in this equation also and this equation also. So I am going to substitute d value in this first equation. So this equation becomes 2a plus 12 into 5 equal to 72. That implies 2a plus 60 equal to 72. That implies 2a is equal to what? 72 minus 60, 12. That implies a is equal to 6. Fine. So a and d value we got. Now what you have to do? You have to form the AP. Now basically you have to find the AP. So in this question, the sum of the series is given. You have to just to find what? You have to find AB. Okay. In this question, you have to find AP. So to form the AP, A is given, D is given, then you can find the AP. So first term will be 6. What about the next term? Just you have to go and add 6. First term plus common difference will give second term, right? So 6 plus D. I hope you guys know this equation, that first term will be A, next term will be A plus D, next term A plus 2D, right? A plus 3D, and so on. So first term you know that is 6, second term will be A plus D, that is 6 plus 11, that is 6 plus 5, that is 11. Now third term will be 6 plus 2 into this, that will be 16, then 21, then 26, and so on. Fine. So this we have formed the AP. So this is how you have to form what? AP. Now moving on to the second question. If the 8th term of an AP is 31 and the 15th term is 16 more than 11th term, find the AP. Here also you have to form the AP. So what are the given things? If the 8th term of an AP is 31, so we can write answer 8th term. So A8 we can write it as what? 31. A8 is 31. And what else is given? 15th term is 16 more than. So 15th term is equal to 16 more than 11th term. 16 more than 11th term. A11. Right? 15th term is 16 more than 11th term. 11th term is A11. So more than 16. Right? That is nothing but 15th term. So these are the given things. Now you have to rewrite this in general form. That means A8 will be A plus 70, right, equal to 31 we can write, and this also we can write A plus 14D equal to 16 plus A plus 10D, right? This we can write. Now we can simplify this equation. Fine, like terms are there, AA. So you can see over here, just to shift to this that side. Okay, fine. So A minus A plus 14D minus 10D equal to 16. So I have just shifted this towards what? LHS. Fine. So A minus A is 0 plus 14 minus 10D is 4D, which is equal to 16. That implies D will be equal to what? 4. Right? So we got D equal to 4. Now what we can do? We got D equal to 4. Just substitute in this equation. So A plus 7 into 4, because D we got it as 4, equal to what? 31. So A plus 28 equal to what? 31. Fine. Now A will be equal to 31 minus 28, that will be equal to 3. So we got A as well as D. Now you have to just form what? AP. So for forming AP, you have to just remember this sequence: A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and on. So A we know that is 3, so write 3. A plus D is 3 plus 4, that is 7. Next number will be 11, then 15, then 19, and so on. Fine. So we have found AP. Fine. So this 2 important questions you have to understand and try to do. Fine.